Hi everybody. I didn't really expect to do this today, except that got out of the house. I really had to run to see one of my clients. Well, to see my client. And so I needed to get out for a little bit. And they were sort of promising the probability of snow tonight. So I thought I might as well get out today and get done whatever I was able to before anything starts to happen. I'm still in a lot of pain from my physical therapy session yesterday. My gut is so not right about this. I don't know, and I've got very mixed feelings because I do like the guy. I think he's nice, but it doesn't feel right. It just doesn't feel right. And I wonder if it's going to help me or if it's going to make me worse. The pain that I'm in since yesterday, it's a lot of pain. I'm sort of focusing on the pain a lot, and I typically don't. I just completely just deal with it, live with it, get past it, and function. It does not affect me at all, typically. But unfortunately right now, it does. And getting into the store that I had to go to and walking was harder. I wouldn't dare walk without my cane today. I don't know if my leg is swollen or if it's just the pain. He did work on those muscles and he was sort of kneading them out, and he did do the stretching exercises. I was not happy that he didn't give me any exercises to practice at home, because I really wanted homework, and he had told me that I would be having homework, and I want to do it. I really want this thing to get much, much better and as quickly as possible. So I am committed to it, but I'm thinking maybe I need to go to a different place. So I need to weigh that a little bit and decide what I'm going to do. In the meanwhile, I'm trying to just function through the pain. There are things I need to get done in the house. There are things I need to do outside. I don't want to feel trapped in my house, and certainly I might be if there's snow on the ground. I need to get down to my basement and see if I can find those boots, because without them, I'm not going to be able to go out if there's any snow on the ground at all. And I don't want to go back to feeling as if I can't have a life of any kind. So I need to work on that, and I am going to take it from there, one step at a time, as with everything else. You know, it's interesting because last night I had talked quite a bit, unexpectedly, about the rehab process and how frightening it can be if people don't have advocates. And I definitely intend to do a dedicated video to that, because I think people need to know it, and they need to really be there for the people they care about if they have to go into a nursing home or a rehab environment, which is essentially a nursing home with rehab included. So I definitely want to talk about that. It's really important to me that I ask you guys one more time. I'm about to put up the video for people and their pets. I've gotten some wonderful photos. I've gotten some nice stories. And I'm going to be doing that in the next couple of days. So if anybody seeing this wants to have themselves and or their pets included in that video, you need to send it to me right away, because as I say, it's going to happen in the next couple of days, and I don't want anybody to miss out simply because they didn't send me the picture in time. So take care. I'm going to put this up as a separate thing. It's going to be a really short video, but I wanted to give everybody the option to do that, and let us get started on that, because I think it's going to be fun. Take care. I hope wherever you are in the world that you're having a great day. And if you're not, I hope tomorrow is a better one. And once again, as I've said before, if you're having a personal pity party, it's okay, but don't let it linger. So just have it, clean up after it, and just move on. Take care, my friends. I love you all. You know that.